I've been researching into health problems and natural solutions to health problems for over 25 years. And what I want to talk to you today about is bleeding gums. Now I will say this, if you've got bleeding gums, please, the first thing you must do is get yourself along to a qualified medical practitioner, somebody like a dentist, who can have a look in your mouth and tell you exactly what is going on inside your mouth and inside your gums. The next thing to do, you've got to make a decision. Do you follow the treatment recommended by your dentist, or do you look for alternative solutions? Now I can't tell you what to do because I don't know what's going on inside your mouth. So I'm just talking in general terms. In general, if you've got bleeding gums, this is what's happening. You've got your gum, or a socket, which is a hole in your gum where your tooth sits. Now what happens is bacteria gets into that socket and starts to breed and eat and thrive. It starts to damage the tissue which is holding your tooth, and then the blood starts to ooze out. As you know, it's unsightly and it can cause embarrassing bad breath. That's two good reasons to get it sorted. But the main reason is, as the bacteria breeds inside that socket, the tooth becomes loose. And unless you get it sorted, you will lose your teeth. So your teeth need gums, hence the name of my website. That gum has got to be treated. Now there are several ways that the dentist can treat that. You can give you antibiotics, which is, as you know what antibiotics are, you stick something in your body, it goes right throughout your system, killing off bacteria, and it will kill off the bacteria inside your socket. So in a couple of weeks the problem is usually sorted. That's with antibiotics. But the problem with antibiotics, sometimes what can happen is this. The antibiotics weaken your immune system, which means whatever caused that bacteria, whatever allowed the bacteria to breed inside that socket in the first place, I mean, something went wrong for it to get in there in the first place. Your immune system is weak. Somewhere it must have been to allow the bacteria in. If you take antibiotics, the bacteria weaken your immune system even more, or they can do, which means within a week or two the gum disease comes back and you end up with more bleeding gums and you risk losing your teeth. So what I've come up with is a natural alternative to antibiotics. I did the research and I found out that there was 4 or 5 plant extracts which are perfect for killing off the bacteria in your gums. So it wasn't rocket science to get a mixture of these plant extracts and try it out on people who had got gums, and it works perfectly. You literally put a tiny amount, this is the Gum Doctor product here, a tiny amount of the plant extract mixture onto your gums and you just massage it in. Now that works instantly. It instantly starts to kill off the bacteria where it is in the gums. Not only that, it tastes nice and it gives you fresh breath. So whilst the bleeding gums have stopped, whilst the healing starts to take place, you've got fresh breath. Now you apply this plant extract mixture 4 or 5 times a day, or as often as you wish. And it's that simple to use. Now whether you use Gum Doctor in conjunction with the dental treatment that your dentist offers, or you use Gum Doctor on its own, it's up to you. It's a perfect product. You can carry it around with you wherever you go and just keep applying it. It keeps your breath fresh and it kills off the bacteria which is causing your bleeding gums instantly. Now if you go on my website, Teeth Need Gums, there I hope you'll find the answers to any other questions that you might have. You will find the answers to those questions on my website. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks very much.